The locomotive was built 1891 by Baldwin. It ran on the Kaiwiki plantation in Hawaii from 1891 to 1942 when it was sold to the Waimanalo plantation on the island of Oahu. And it ran there until 1944 when it was parked. I bought it in December of 1979 as a bunch of parts and pieces. This locomotive has a new boiler. And we've had it here at our home since we moved in 1996. It's been here in Coto de Caza since then.
There you go. Punch your ticket.
This is an oil-fired locomotive, so what we're doing is we're boiling water. The whole idea of the steam locomotive is you use a fuel, could be coal, could be wood, and it could be oil. Today we're firing on oil. The sound you hear is the steam atomizing the oil as it comes up out of the burner. So we watch the pressure gauge, which is this gauge right here. We have the atomizer, which is the pressure of the steam coming out of the burner that atomizes. What we have here is we have injectors for putting water in the boiler. We have two, one on either side. We have our water glass gauge that shows us how much water we have in the locomotive. So what you do, start it off, you'll have your cylinder cocks open. You put the Johnson board forward, open the throttle. George's, and I run steam engines both commercially and for fun mostly. With a steam engine, almost any steam engine actually, you spend as much time working on it as you do running. We check all these little cups. See, I can tell by the level of the oil in the cups how much we're using. See, we still have oil in here, so I'm not worried about it, but when that runs dry, then I have to refill it again. This is the water tank. We're actually filling the water right now into the tank. Again, it's all manual. We all get the watches and make sure we know how much to put in. Yes, it's a very pampered engine. Coming up. Break off. There you go.